Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Today I'm doing this video on the Canon G7X Mark II. I want to test it out against the M50. I can check the makes a change. I can check the quality from the Canon M50 from the other clips. So I ain't gonna muck about, I'm just gonna do it here. Today, special day. The opening of Pattaya's newest family mall. And it is a special day because it is right next door to the Hideaway bar. So we have a 24-hour family mart next door now. Also, quite a clever move by Family Mart, because when this lot opens up, when it's all finished, it's right outside. Yeah, right. I'm going to show you how to get to the Hideaway meet night. Soi 15, lots of motorbikes. Family Mart meet night from 2nd Road and from Soi Bacau. Also, I got fined by the police this morning for the truck because the wheels exceed the wheel arches. Now the wheels exceed the wheel arches on probably, I don't know, 50% of trucks out here and some cars. But all of a sudden, I'm being stopped.
Hello mate. Hey mate, good to see you.
And you?
Oh, I watch you every now and then.
Well, you're on tonight. Where was I? The wheels exceeding the wheel arch. 60% of trucks, maybe 50, but a high percentage, the wheels all exceed. I know it's illegal in the UK, but you see so many here and some cars. All of a sudden, I'm fine. The vehicle's 4 years old, it's had those wheels on it from day one. And the previous owner, friend of mine, has never been stopped or paid a fine for it. So anyway, that's that. We'll find out how much the fine was at the end of this. I will go and pay it and we'll find out. The police didn't know. I asked, I don't know what's going on. Anyway, let's get to 2nd Road, the Avenue shopping centre there, Avenue, and we'll show you how to get to the Hideaway for meet night and any other night if you want. So let's get there. And here we are, Pattaya Avenue, the shopping centre there. Can't miss the McDonald's. And we're on 2nd Road. So literally, you've come from John TM, you've come down, you're on 2nd Road. That will all be lit up. The whole place will be lit up. But there's your landmark. And literally, just walk through. It's a nice little walk through actually. Plenty in here, plenty going on. You've got the cinema, major cineplex. Upstairs, there's also 10-pin bowling up there. You'll come out at the end of here. This is Soi 15. Stay slightly to the left. And about halfway down here on the left is the Hideaway bar and the guest house. I bet 7-Eleven are kicking themselves for not buying that little plot of land down there opposite the new apartments. This is the rear entrance, the Eureka Lodge. Comes out into Soy 15. Oh look, his wheels are exceeding. Yeah. That's me. Centara Hotel Resorts, Atlantis restaurant. This is the restaurant with the huge aquarium tank in the middle of the restaurant. The new Family Mart. And next door, the Hideaway guest house and bar. So it's that easy. Let's take it from the other end. And we'll get to the other end right. And here we are, just like magic. We're on. Soy Bucao. This here is the Nature View Hotel. Very good little hotel. Nice pool out the back, we'll do that soon. And bang opposite, as I always say on the Facebook, Soy 15, opposite Nature View Hotel. And literally 40 yards down, the Hideaway guest house and bar. Okay, now you know how to get there. Wednesday night 8 PM till late midnight 1 AM. It's a very good night. Give it a whirl. Up to you. Let's go to the police station. And here we are. Pattaya Beach Road. Police station. Soy 9. For when you get nicked for no licence on your motorbike, no crash helmet, blah blah blah. This is where you'll be coming to pay your fine. I will go in and let you know how much it was when I get out. I'm not filming inside in case they cuff me and keep me in over it. How's your luck? So, see you shortly. 1,000 baht fine. Ouch. Ouch. Anyway, I'm off to go and see a man about some flared arches to go over. If you've liked it, give me a like, thumbs up, the share. I got 1,000 baht fine today, so you should have liked it. What more can I say? And we'll see you soon. If I'm not in prison, because I'll be back here tomorrow to pay another one, I think. So, thanks for watching. Bye bye.
And the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true.